Welcome back to the GRC Sentinel. Today we're tackling a skill every auditor, risk manager, and leader needs: identifying and prioritizing risks. Think of it like spotting potholes before your car. Suspension finds them the hard way. Ready to sharpen your risk radar? Let's go. Risk identification is basically spotting the things that could trip you up before they actually do. These could be operational, strategic, financial, compliance-related, or reputational. In other words, anything that could make your CEO lose sleep. Think about your last project. What went wrong or almost went wrong that nobody saw coming? Like that time you thought the Wi-Fi would hold during a big presentation, and it didn't. Here are 3 proven tools to help you uncover risks, kind of like detective gadgets for auditors. SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Basically, the pros and cons list on steroids. Process mapping: draw out the workflow and see where the cracks are. Spoiler: there are always cracks. Stakeholder interviews: talk to the people closest to the action. They usually know where the skeletons are buried. Each tool gives you a different lens. Use them together for a 360-degree view, like switching from regular glasses to night vision goggles. Which tool do you use most often? Drop a number: 1, 2, or 3. Or if your answer is coffee and panic, you're not alone. Okay, so you've got a list of risks. But how do you know which ones deserve your attention and which ones can wait? Enter the risk matrix. 2 simple questions. How likely is it? How bad would it be if it happened? Plotted on the grid, and the ones in the top right corner, high likelihood, high impact, are your VIP risks. Or should I say, your very important problems. Try this. Think of a current risk. Rate it from 1 low to 5 high for both likelihood and impact. What's your score? If you got a 25, congratulations, you found your organization's nightmare fuel. Here's a real-world case. A company thought cyber threats were low risk. Then, bam, a phishing attack hit. Suddenly, that low risk shot up to high impact and high likelihood. The result? They prioritized cybersecurity training and upgraded their systems. Lesson learned: risks don't stay still, they evolve like Pokemon, but less fun. Have you ever had to reprioritize a risk after new info came in? Share your story. We love learning from real experiences, and yes, even the horror stories. Risk management isn't just about avoiding disasters, it's about making smarter decisions. The better you identify and prioritize risks, the more resilient your organization becomes. Think of it as building an umbrella before the storm hits. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment with your biggest takeaway or your funniest risk story. Subscribe for more GRC insights every Sunday and Wednesday.